All right, today we're going to talk about making our player where we can control it with the keys. So right now he just kind of drops off and the game is over. So find the code that says player controls. There it is. Add code, add a conditional if block that checks whether the user is pressing the up arrow. Add code inside the conditional that will change the sprite's velocity to move up and test your code. All right, easy. So let's see, I want to do up. So I'm going to grab an if. Where is it at? Oh, that's in control. So I just put it here, line 26. And I'm going to get a key down code. And I want it to be up. Thank you. And all I'm going to do, if the key is up, I want the velocity to change. And so since it's up and down, I'm going to grab velocity X. And I'm going to hit player, because that's the, now you might have named your sprite something else. That's okay. And I'm going to make it say like 4. Let's see if it works. It ain't working. Oh, you know what? It needs to be -4, because if I move my cursor up, because 0 is at the top, I actually want to make it -4. So let's try it now. There we go. I can now make them go up. There we go. Beep, 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 beep. And then they fall. All right, now real quick, I'm going to show you how to make it go right and left. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to go right and left. So, all right, so add a conditional that decreases the sprite's x velocity when the left arrow is pressed. All right. So all I do, if, and then I go to world, key went down, and I want my velocity, oh, but I need it to be left. And they actually tell you decrease the x velocity. Player velocity x is, we'll make that 4. And then actually, you know what? I'm going to use the counter pattern. Player velocity x. I typed it instead of dragging it over. Minus like 0.5. Here we go. So now let's see if it works. I go up and then I need to make this a little bit stronger. I'm going to make this like 1. So now let's see. I go up. There we go. Now he's moving left. I can maybe even make that more, maybe make it 2. And I'm going to do essentially the same thing with the right. Go to control. If key went down, I'm going to make it right. I'm going to grab my velocity, but this time I want the x velocity to increase. So I'm going to say, let me get my math, get a plus, and then go back. So this is the counter pattern, because every time it does the loop, it counts. Player velocity x equals player velocity x plus 2. So let's see. Here we go, and I can move them left and right. Oh wait, the right does not seem to be working. Here we go, it is working. All right, so that's how it's done. And probably what I would do is on my up, I would also use a counter pattern. It's really dragging today.